You need to hear this if you're feeling stuck and hopeless. There is a way out. Life can be really tough sometimes. But remember, God can do the impossible. When everything feels hopeless, when you're at your wit's end, that's when faith steps in. Think about it. The same God who created the stars and keeps the planets in motion is watching over you. He's got a plan for you, even when you can't see it. So don't lose hope. Pray, believe, and keep the faith. Miracles happen every day. Sometimes the best things come from the hardest places. Remember, God can turn any situation around. Just like a seed in the darkness of the soil, you're growing into something wonderful. Keep pushing through, keep believing, and watch how God works in your life. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and keep the faith. Because with God, nothing is impossible. Great things take time. But we should realize that our hardest times often lead us to the greatest moments of our lives. Keep going should be our mantra. Tough situations build strong people in the end. We should not fear failure, but rather fear not trying. With every hardship, Allah has promised ease. As the saying goes, the light at the end of the tunnel is not an illusion. The tunnel is. Our faith teaches us that this too will pass. But as we go through the test, fitna, we must seek ways to purify ourselves and to nourish our souls. The more you try to take circumstances into your own hands, the more difficult it will be to achieve your goals. Let go and let God take care of things. He wants to help, so let Him help. When you love your job and are working hard and getting what you want out of your work, He is there with you. God knows everything we are going through at this very moment and everything we will go through in the future. He knows the best way to handle every situation so we get the best possible outcome, and we need to trust Him with that. We need to follow His path and trust that He knows best, because He does. He knows the desires of your heart. If you trust in Him with the things that you want most, He will take care of it. He knows what is best for your life. If you feel like your goals are hard to achieve or even impossible, think again. Anything is possible with God. He has your back and will help you through anything. All you have to do is have faith. God knows exactly what He wants for your life. He has a purpose for you and has everything planned out. He knows who you are going to marry, how many kids you are going to have, what job you will have, and every other detail of your life, both big and small. He knows what you are going to do tomorrow, next month, and years down the road. Do not doubt His plan, because He knows all, and He has a perfect plan.